Hello, welcome to Right Brain. I am Crafty Divs and today we are going to make origami diya. It's very easy to make and you can use it for Diwali decoration. Let's begin. We will be needing 2 origami papers, a paper creaser that is optional, pencil, scissor and glue. Let's begin by folding this paper into a book fold. That is, we'll fold the paper into half. If you have a paper creaser, you can use it to press the folds. Now we are going to lift this paper, just the first flap. We are not going to make any folds, we just need the center marking somewhere here. So we will lift this paper. We will bring it till this point, like we are going to fold it into a triangle, but we will just mark here and open, and then we will lift and we will fold it into half, but we are not going to press the fold, we just need a center marking, a center point. So you can see that we have got the center point. You can see that we have got a X. So this is your center point here. You're going to lift this paper, this end, this is the folded side, and then bring it to this center point. And then press the fold. Now we will turn the paper. This we have to fold till this end. So we will lift this paper and make a triangle fold and press the fold. Now you will lift this paper and fold it till this part. Now we are going to fold this into half and press the fold. We will be cutting it from here. This is our part that we will be cutting off. We don't need this part, so I'm going to move it aside. We are going to open this. Now we have to fold this point. This is our center point, and these two ends will be our marking. We are going to make triangle folds now. So what I have done is, these two ends are my markings, and I'm going to make a fold here. We will continue the entire cut out. This point should be somewhere in the center, and the two V's should be your markings. So these two ends, this tip will be in the center. Don't forget to press the fold. It is very important that you press your fold. Now this tip will come in the center and these two ends will be our marking. So if you have properly pressed your fold, then you can just see the folding lines. And fold it accordingly. Please press the fold, use your fingers or use a tool, but do press the folds. Now I'm going to turn this. Now this and this 2 points will be your marking. So this end and this end. So then you are going to take the paper from this end and fold it. Open again this end and this end. So 1, 2, 3 you will leave in the center and you will make a fold. Now if you also are getting confused, you can see that every time you fold, this comes on top, a V shape, folded V shape comes on top. So that you can take as reference. Every time I fold, this V shape comes on top. So if that is happening, that means you are correct. Otherwise you are going wrong. So if you carefully see, on all the tips you will have a V shape. So you will fold all the tips inwards. And then slowly start closing it or bringing it close. So we will close it and hold it like this. If you want, you can press the fold with your fingers. Also press this side. And then we will slowly start opening your diya. One is done, so you will do the second one also like this. You need 2 of these. What you're going to do is you're going to turn one upside down like this and place the second one on top. So you can either place it like this, where you can see a star down, or you can place it exactly like this, so it will look like a proper diya. It is totally up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little glue here. Place it. can allow it to dry for some time. Your origami diya is now ready. You can place ready-made LED lights like this. I hope you have enjoyed doing this activity and you will like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.